The roots of PCMA go back to October 1953, perhaps even earlier. Who knows what conversations were had in those early days? But it was in the fall of 1953 that the Texas Highway Department made the decision to advance Texas roadways with the use of pre-stressed concrete beams. The department had the idea to engage with contractors in the development and advancement of pre-stressed concrete beams. Beam Fabricators incorporated the Pre-Stressed Concrete Manufacturers Association in 1959. By the 1970s, product diversification into commercial markets prompted the members to realign the association by expanding its scope to include commercial fabricators to provide a resource and marketing group for the growing commercial markets. In 1985, the name was changed to Precast Concrete Manufacturers Association of Texas. Today, PCMA continues its traditional role as a conduit for information and innovation with the Texas Department of Transportation. New precast and pre-stressed concrete road and bridge products are continually under development, testing, or have moved to general usage. PCMA members are involved every step of the way. Furthermore, commercial precasters direct PCMA's engagement within the construction community, universities, and as a resource and education provider to building owners and designers. PCMA members have established an enviable portfolio of schools, stadiums, museums, hotels, hospitals, and of course the parking structures that support them. PCMA continues its long tradition of supporting institutions of higher learning with donations of concrete products, financial assistance, and access to hundreds of years of knowledge. Most recently, PCMA partnered with a member and Texas Tech University to test sandwich wall panel joints used in storm-resistant construction.
An important part of the PCMA are the membership meetings. Members gather to discuss industry issues, exchange ideas, and most importantly, develop and implement solutions. It was during one of those meetings in the fall of 2010 that the idea took hold among several members to host a sporting clay shoot to raise money for a charity. One member took the discussion to the PCMA's board of directors and proposed to have a sporting clay event to raise money for research for a cure of acid maltase deficiency, also known as Pompe disease.
The AMDA was formed in 1995 with the goal of finding a cure for Pompe disease. Over the last 21 years, there have been significant strides in care and treatment for Pompe patients around the world. However, there is still no cure, and patients continue to face many challenges. The PCMA's Pull for Pompe event has been instrumental in advancing research into Pompe disease since its inception. The Pull for Pompe event funds the AMDA's research grant known as the Helen Walker Research Grant for Pompe. Without the support of the PCMA and Pull for Pompe, this grant would not exist, and the research it supports would not take place. Dr. Barbara Smith of the University of Florida Gainesville was a recipient of an AMDA research grant and recently presented the results of her research at the 2015 AMDA International Pompe Patient and Scientific Conference.
I'd like to first start off by thanking the AMDA and the conference committee for inviting me here to share some of the updates that we have on the work we're doing with diaphragm pacing for Pompe disease. Your diaphragm, in order to contract and...
Her research, which was funded by the Pull for Pompe event, has led to increased understanding of the respiratory complications of Pompe disease and how these complications can be better managed.
Thank you.
On April 9, 2011, the PCMA hosted the first Pull for Pompe event. There were 99 participants. Pull for Pompe became an annual event, and by 2016 has grown to 325 participants. The International Pompe Community's slogan is "Together we are strong," and the partnership between the PCMA and the AMDA is a perfect example of this.
PCMA is proud of our association with AMDA and the research we are supporting, but the overall benefits go even deeper. The Pull for Pompe is an industry gathering away from the usual issues and challenges members face. Pull for Pompe encourages relationships across a widening group of construction professionals. Pull for Pompe allows members to spend a day with customers, suppliers, construction and design professionals, and their families. This builds relationships, this strengthens the industry, and this strengthens PCMA. The opportunity to step out of industry and into community provides a different perspective on all the issues we face and programs we provide. PCMA Pull for Pompe is only possible because of the generosity of our sponsors and volunteers. We can all thank them March 25th at the 2017 PCMA Pull for Pompe.
For more information on Pull for Pompe, please visit the PCMA and AMDA online.